Are you still managing your construction projects using Excel, WhatsApp, and phone calls? Delays, budget overruns, missing materials, and payment confusion are costing you valuable time and money. SitePilot CPMS One Platform. Complete construction management. Convert leads into projects with an integrated CRM that manages quotations, agreements, customer payments, and approvals. Track every project from foundation to handover with real-time progress, milestones, site photos, and daily reports. Never lose track of your inventory. Manage purchase orders, materials, vendor payments, and site expenses in one place. Record labor attendance, wages, payroll, and productivity effortlessly. Whether you're managing one site or 50, SitePilot CPMS gives you complete control, from sales to project completion.